Hello everyone, today is talking about two welding helmets. Looks like it's a little bit bright here. This one's a brand new one. I bought it and then afterwards my friend had said he had one that he didn't need anymore, doesn't really weld, so he wanted to get rid of it. So now I'm in a dilemma, which one do I keep? This one's a few years old. This is a Harbor Freight, and then I got this one at Menards. It's called Performance Max. Performance Max seems to have a few more options than the Harbor Freight. You get more dials here. Don't really understand why it's got a dial here. It says 9 to 13, and then you also have one over here. So kind of contradicts itself. I'm guessing you can make a little adjustment. The Harbor Freight one, I think he said it's 3 or 4 years old. It's got the basic sensitivities. So this one seems to have a few more options, and also it has a test function to verify the battery's dead. And I think when you take this out, you can actually replace the batteries a lot easier than the Harbor Freight. The Harbor Freight, you got to pry it apart and then solder or connect it. It looks like on eBay, or excuse me, on YouTube, where I've seen that. So anyway, but this video is more or less just showing you how you know if the auto dark's working, because I got an old one and a new one, and I wanted to know because I don't want to go blind. So first thing, set your settings, which I put all sensitive and quick, and then if you're lucky enough to have one that has a setting for grinding means basically it's turned off, so that would save your battery. So I would assume, maybe it says in the reading, I didn't read it, that set it to always leave it on grinding mode when you're putting it away, so that would conserve battery because you basically would be turning it off and use it just for a face shield. And then sensitivity. So 13 is the max. Seems like some people use 10 or 12, or excuse me, or 11. It all depends on, I guess, what you need and settings. So what I've done is I've got a light up here, and I'm going to show you. Hopefully you can tell. Yep, you see how it just shuts off? It's not really shutting off, it's just going into the auto dark mode. So that was really quick. And if I had another hand, I could adjust the template darkness, and you would really see a difference where you'd see the light bulb get brighter and brighter. So that was pretty interesting. So I feel good that this Harbor Freight one still works. So I might be getting that one because the amount of welding I do, it might be good enough. But I'm actually going to test them both, maybe, or maybe not. We'll see. So this one, oh, same thing. Got to turn it on. Oh, looks like, okay, excuse me, it turns a little bit different. It does make a turning noise, like you're turning a switch on. Same thing here. Oop, a little bit quicker sensitivity. Went right to it with dark mode. You can kind of tell green and then black screen. So anyways, this one, I haven't got the head setting to where I like it as much. The Harbor Freight one seems to fit my face better. So I can tell you that my nose, I got a bigger nose, so this one seems to be hits a little bit. This one, my nose seems to hit up here in the mirror more than it does in here. So this, maybe it's I need to adjust the setting. I don't know, they both look pretty good. If they both do the same thing, I think this one's worth about $54 at Harbor Freight, and you get a coupon or something, and it's $10 off. And this one here, brand new, I think I got it for, I'd have to check, I think it's either $49 or it's $39 because they had a special. So they're both about the same price. The robot head I kind of liked. They also had a Screaming Eagle, which I like America, but I thought I also wanted something that's a little different because everybody seems to choose the Screaming Eagle. And a lot of people choose this one for the color. So I don't know. They both seem pretty safe right now. I don't have the welder yet. I'm waiting on a gift card to come in to utilize buying a new welder at Harbor Freight. So I think the better deal is probably this one. The guy's selling me this one with the box and everything that it came with new in the bag and instructions for 40 bucks. And it also includes welding gloves, which are about 12 bucks, 12 to 15 bucks. So you figure, and then this one, like I said, just I don't get any welding gloves, but I probably would just test this one out, and if it works, then I'll just put this one back and take it back to Menards, because I haven't done anything with it. I'm not going to use it or remove the template, but it looks like they're both about the same. Now, I did read or watch some video that said some specific brand did not do so well in 13 mode, and it was very blurry. I've never heard of that on the Harbor Freight. So if that's the case, if that's the case on this model, because there's a brand that starts with A, I can't remember the name. It's a cheaper version as well. I think this Performax is just relabeled multiple times at different places. So if that's true, then maybe I would go with the Harbor Freight. Now, like I said, it looks like this one's been upgraded. Batteries can be replaced, possibly. I haven't read that, but I've seen a video where a guy popped out and it actually has things that push out from the top here. There is screws mounted into here, so I would assume either A, that's for the glass, or to replace. And the Harbor Freight, there is nothing of that sort other than, well, it looks like there is a metal bracket there, but I don't know if that's just to hold it in or not. I would assume so. So it's to his own, but the big thing is showing that the Auto Dark works. So enough rambling. Good luck on your welding, as I will need lots of luck too.